things first. M mode, traction control off, EDC on sport. Now we're good. I do need to save my tires a little bit because it's the only ones I have right now. But you know, I get a little excited every once in a while. So today, I don't think I'm gonna go for a fast lap because we don't have our V-Box equipment with us. So if it starts sliding and it wants to get loose, I'm just gonna go with it. And I just realized the mic fell in the seat the entire time, so I don't know what you heard. So let's go out, let's have some fun. I'm sure I look real good with this 7 on my forehead. Oh well. We got about 10 minutes left of track time. All right. Let's see if I can not slide for an entire lap. Well, that already went out the window. This car is really a lot of fun. I like the way it's geared for this track too. You could just stay in second gear pretty much the entire time. This corner I always get pretty sideways. Well, that wasn't the smoothest one. Let's try and calm down a little bit. This is too much damn fun to slide this thing around. Let's see if I can go up this uphill. Nice and easy. I want to see if I can get a good lap. Forget the good laps. Just throw them right out the window. just stopped talking about halfway through that. I just started sliding. It was just too much fun. I think this car could actually put down a good lap if I had some proper tires. There's 20s on here right now with a 305/25 in the back and a 255. Yeah, I met you! And a 255 in front. For a track setup, I may do like an 18x10 or 10.5 square setup, or a 19x10. I'm not quite sure. Get some TE37s or maybe some Apex wheels. I don't know, but I need to go through the fluids, brake pads, tires, and then I can really come out here and have some fun. I wasn't really planning on doing this today, but for first track day, I'd say the M she did pretty well. I'm gonna do a cool down lap. And pull her in. Well, that was a good day at Lime Rock. We're all hot and spanked and tired, and we're all ready for ice cream, so that's where we're gonna go. Arethusa ice cream. So all in all, it was a good day. We got a few episodes of the slip angle filmed, and I got to see how the M3 did on the track. Basically, it just wants to drift, and it does it pretty graciously. You can't blame it. But all right, I might end this video with some driving footage, or I might end it now. I'm not sure. That was a nice little rip. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I can't even speak, I'm so tired. Take it easy. Peace.